In the 1987 Philippine Constitution, Article 6 talks about the Legislative Department, which is ang ilahang responsibilities is for making laws in the country. And it is made up of representatives who are elected by the people to create, amend, and repeat law that govern a country or a region. The Legislative Department is may atong ginatawag na legislative powers. These legislative powers, it lies on the Congress, and the Congress is now in duha ka houses. The upper house is the Senate, and the lower house is the House of Representatives. And also, the responsibilities of the Congress is to create laws and to enact laws. The Senate has 24 members elected for 6 years, while the House of Representatives has 250 members for elected for 3 years. The qualification for Congress: senators must be at least 35 years old on the day of election. Natural-born citizen. Dapat, if naa kay balak mo dagat pagka-senators, dapat yaon ka sa Pilipinas sa gipanganak. And resident ka ng Pilipinas for at least 2 years prior to the election. House member must be at least 25 years old on the day of election and similarly qualified. And both senators and House of Members is kabalo dapat ka magsulat o kabalo ka magbasa. The legislative process is how a proposal called a bill becomes a law. The first process is introduction. A member of Congress processes a bill, and the second process is a committee review. The bill goes to a committee for review and changes. And the third process is to debate and vote. The bill is debated by all members of the Congress and voted on. And the fourth process is if the bill passes in one chamber, it goes to other chamber where the process is repeated. And the fifth process is to conference committee. If both chambers pass different versions, a committee works out the differences. And the last process is presidential approval. If both chambers agree on the final bill, it goes to the president to sign into a law. The legislative process is crucial in public administration, as it ensures representation and accountability, and it allows citizen voice to influence governance through their elected representatives, fostering democratic principle and responsive policy making.